Hello, my name is Steve Daum, and I'm a sales engineer with Cavallo. This is a video demonstration of how to use SalesPad's Inventory Manager to receive purchase items into inventory. There are a couple of ways to perform receipts, either on a PC or a mobile computer. Both methods allow for creation of workflows around purchase orders. In my examples here, GP has multi-bin enabled. However, this is at the customer's option for whatever suits their operational needs best. As you can see here, I've set up a basic workflow for receiving where a purchase order gets generated. Once it's released, it's dropped into a queue called expected RX. Once it's actually been received, it's dropped into a queue called received, where it's ready to be posted in GP. Once it's posted, it goes to another queue to be put away, and eventually to a queue to pay the invoice. To receive a purchase order on a PC workstation, select the receiving icon from within SalesPad Inventory Manager, and here you can search for the purchase order on any criteria on the screen, or I can just hit search and it will give me a list of all of the purchase orders. And here's a list of all my POs along with the items that are on those purchase orders. So I can just select which PO I want to receive, enter in the quantity to receive. If there is any lot or serial information, I will enter that at this point, and then the bin in which to receive it. I have bin RX1 set up as my default bin, so the system just brings me this by default, but I can also override it. And same thing for my other item. And once I'm ready, I can save it. And at this point now, we will drop it into its next queue as received to be posted in GP. Because the warehouse is a very dynamic environment, most of this type of activity is better suited to be performed on a mobile computer. This is because all of the bin locations, item, quantity, lot, and serial information is all collected right at the point of activity, and any exceptions are entered on the spot to ensure data integrity. Inventory Manager Mobile is an app that will run on almost any Android or iOS mobile device. I highly recommend using barcode readers on the mobile devices too in order to expedite the data collection process as well as ensure the accuracy of the data. To receive a PO on a mobile device, log into the main menu from Inventory Manager Mobile and select PO Receiving. And here I can select which purchase order I would like to receive. I will select that. And then I can also select which items I want to receive. If they're barcoded, I can scan them in, or if not, I have this handy list, and I can select which item I want to receive. This particular item is lot tracked, so I either have to scan in a lot number or have the system create one for me, which is what I'll do. And then we'll enter in the quantity to receive of one, and it is a unit of measure of pallet, and it will also be received into my default bin of RX1. So I'll go ahead and press submit. And at this point, a barcoded label is printed. The barcoded label will look something like this. I used a business object in my workflow called Smart Print to automatically integrate the printing of this label within the workflow, and I use SalesPad's report generator to create the label templates for this label. So here I have an item number, a lot number, and a quantity on the pallet, all in a barcoded format. Put away on the mobile device is very easy and is performed right where the inventory is located. Simply select bin transfer from the main menu, select the receiving dock location or scan it, and then I will have a list of items that are on the receiving dock, and I can select which one I want to put away. And when I select my to bin, it will also give me a list of other locations where that particular item is located. And I'll just enter in my quantity and hit submit, and I have successfully now put away that inventory into its new bin location. This overview is just one of many ways that we can do receiving in SalesPad Inventory Manager module. If you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you for your time and have a great rest of your day.